we are going to perform an activity which is based on Newton's second law of motion. As we all know what is Newton's second law of motion. According to the Newton's second law of motion, the rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the force applied. Okay, and we know what is the relationship F is equal to m. We know this relationship F is equal to ma here. So we are going to show this activity, show this Newton's second law with the help of this activity. For doing this activity, we have some resources here. One is sand. So we have made a sand bed here, and one pipe we have taken, and two small stones we have taken. One is concrete stone, that is, and other one is a brick stone. So concrete stone has greater mass, okay, you can measure it, and this has a smaller mass as compared to the concrete stone. Now what we will do, we will hold this pipe like this, and I am going to first drop this, okay, drop this concrete stone over this sand bed. So see what will happen. Okay, now I am going to drop this brick stone, okay, over it through this pipe. So see what will happen. The height is same here. Okay, now you will see the result here. What is the result? So when I remove this concrete stone from the sand bed, so you will see this and this. As you will notice here, this impression of concrete stone is much greater as compared to the brick stone. So why this impression is greater? As we know, because of this relation F is equal to ma. So acceleration is same for both the object because we have simply dropped this object. So acceleration is equal to g. So g is same for both the object. So concrete stone is having greater mass, so it will apply greater force. Okay, so greater mass will apply greater force. That's why we get a big impression over the sand bed of concrete stone. Clear?
Yes, sir.